Are you listening? Can you hear it? A low rumble, a constant hum, like the sound of a distant engine. If you've ever visited Taos, New Mexico, you may have heard it too. The locals call it the Taos Hum, and for decades, it's been one of the greatest acoustic mysteries in the world. For over 50 years, people have reported hearing this strange sound, but no one knows where it's coming from. Engineers, scientists, and even the military have investigated, but they all came up empty-handed. The most puzzling part is that there are days when the hum is almost imperceptible, and other times when it's loud enough to wake you up in the middle of the night. Some believe it's a collective psychological effect, a sort of group hallucination. Others think it might be a natural phenomenon that we just don't understand yet. And then there are those who believe it might be something supernatural, some kind of low-frequency energy being emitted from the Earth itself. Whatever the cause, the mystery of the Taos Hum continues to baffle scientists and keep the residents on edge. If you ever visit Taos, be sure to listen closely. You might just hear it too. The unexplained sounds of Taos, New Mexico.